Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a connection from your Facebook account from apps and website. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! With Facebook Connect, you can now log into many websites, apps, and games with your Facebook account. While this makes it convenient for accessing websites, it also means that you could share your personal information with these third-party websites. And in this video, I will show you how to remove the connection. On my previous video, I've shown you how to find the apps and website that connected with your Facebook. And now I will show you how to remove it. So first, you can tap on the up right corner on the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. You can scroll down. On your activity section, there is an option apps and websites. You can just tap on that. So here's all your apps and website that connected with your Facebook account. And if you want to remove, you can just tap on the apps or website that you want to remove. And there is an option, remove. You can just tap on remove. And this will remove all your connection between Facebook and the apps, which include login with Facebook. Once removed, BandLab will no longer be able to access the non-public information you previously shared with it, but may still have what it received when the connection was active. You can allow Facebook to notify the app that your login connection was removed. They may offer you another way to log in again. So you can tap on remove. So now the apps has been removed from your connection on Facebook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove connection from your Facebook account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!